There are several different ways to find products on our web store, and it's useful to know them all so you can choose the best one depending on what you're looking for. First is using categories and filters to narrow your search. Select a category or manufacturer from the main navigation, then apply filters to limit the results. So hover your mouse over products and then make a selection from the drop-down. I'm going to select solar panels. If I'm now only interested in product which is available now from Pompano Beach, I can select the appropriate filter here. And then perhaps I'm just interested in a module in the 395 to 415 power watt range, and I can select this filter. That narrows the search to just these 4 results. Hovering over the info tooltip next to the item name displays the item description to make locating products easier without having to click into the item detail. When logged in, you will see your own individual pricing that has been set up for you by your account manager, and also a price per watt for solar panels and inverters. The global search bar at the top of the screen is another powerful tool to locate either specific items or groups of products very quickly. It matches your search term against the product description and other information such as the manufacturer part number. When typing into the search bar, after you had entered the first 3 letters, it will begin searching and start to show a preview of the full results underneath. So I'm going to use the search term bifacial. Often the product you're looking for may appear before you've entered the full search term, then you can click directly on it. Alternatively, either hit enter or click the link to see all the results. As an example, if I use the search term Unirac flash lock, the correct product quickly shows at the top of the list. I could also search for the same product using the manufacturer's part number. The search bar can also locate items with quite abstract part numbers, such as this Fronius inverter. This is the correct item, and we can see that if I click into the item detail, manufacturer part number is here. If you're looking for an item you've purchased before, then there are faster ways to get straight to those products. One option is to go to My Account and then the Reorder Items page. From here, you can browse your list of purchased items and filter by date range. So I can use the navigation at the top here, go to Reorder Items, can filter by up to last 180 days, and products can simply be added to the cart using the buttons on the right. If you happen to know on which previous order you last purchased the product you're looking for, view it in purchase history, then add direct to the cart. So again, using the navigation at the top, I can come to purchase history. For example, if I know the product I'm looking for is on this specific order, I can click into it and then either click the reorder button here, or if there are more than one item, I can add them all straight to cart using the button on the right. Another great way to access items that you frequently need to find is to add them to a product list. You can then add one or all of them direct to the cart in a single click. Create multiple product lists for groups of items purchased together, or even entire systems. So if I click to a product list I've created previously, I have the option to select one or more or all of the products, and then once at least one of them is selected, I can add to cart. see the other tutorial video specifically on product lists that goes into more detail on this process.